Hey there, mind detectives. Welcome back to the channel where we crack the code of human behavior. Today's case, the age-old mystery, how to attract women. But hold on a minute, fellas. Looks may get you noticed, but they won't keep her attention. Let's delve deeper into the fascinating world of psychological attraction. Buckle up, because we're about to unveil 9 hacks that will make you irresistible, regardless of your Hollywood hero status. Hack Subro 1. The Confidence Catalyst. Confidence is the cologne of the soul, my friends. Women are drawn to men who believe in themselves. Don't fake it, make it. Celebrate your wins, big or small. Stand tall, make eye contact, and own that room. Confidence is contagious, and it makes you a more attractive prospect. Hack number 2. The Chivalry Code. Modernized. Chivalry isn't dead, it just evolved. It's about respect and kindness. Hold the door, offer your jacket, listen attentively. These gestures show you value her and her comfort. Bonus points for remembering her name and interests. Hack number 3. The humor advantage. Laughter is the best medicine, and it's a potent attraction booster. Don't force jokes, but be playful and witty. Share funny stories, tease her gently, and appreciate her sense of humor too. Remember, it's about connecting, not stand-up comedy. Hack number 4. The Compliment Connoisseur. Women crave appreciation, but compliments shouldn't be shallow. Notice her effort, her intelligence, her kindness. A genuine, "That dress looks amazing on you, and it reflects your personality," goes a long way compared to a generic, "nice shoes." Hack number 5. The Punctuality Powerhouse. Respect her time. Being late screams disinterest and disrespect. Punctuality shows reliability and consideration, qualities women find attractive. Plus, it gives you more time for that captivating conversation. Hack number 6. The Self-Care Specialist. Taking care of yourself isn't just about vanity. It shows self-respect and confidence. Maintain good hygiene, dress well for the occasion, and feel good in your own skin. When you feel good, you project an aura of attractiveness. Hack number 7. The Conversation Captain. Be genuinely interested in her. Ask thoughtful questions, listen actively, and respond with more than one-word answers. Conversations are a two-way street, and your genuine curiosity is more attractive than reciting your resume. Hack number 8. The Benjamin Franklin Effect. This psychology hack might surprise you. Ask her for small favors. It might sound counterintuitive, but research suggests that doing someone a favor increases their liking for you. Just keep it light and avoid anything that feels exploitative. Hack number 9. Be yourself, the most important one. Trying to be someone you're not is a recipe for disaster. The right woman will be drawn to the authentic you. Embrace your quirks, your passions, and your unique personality. Authenticity is the ultimate aphrodisiac. So, mind detectives, there you have it. Forget the pickup lines and unleash your irresistible self. Remember, these hacks are just the beginning. Explore your interests, build your confidence, and become the best version of you. That's the real key to attracting amazing women and building connections that last. Until next time, stay curious, mind detectives. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more mind-blowing content on psychology, relationships, and everything in between. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an episode. And if you have your own psychological attraction hacks, leave a comment below. Let's build a community where we can all unlock the secrets of human connection. See you next time.